Hello, welcome to today's lesson where I demonstrate how to return multiple results with a single VLOOKUP formula. The lookup table to my left contains information relating to unique employees. I'll begin with my formula to fetch the last name and salary relating to these 5 employee IDs. I'll start off with the VLOOKUP function, so equal to VLOOKUP. Our first argument is the lookup value, which is the employee ID. So I select that, introduce my comma, select the table array, which is the entire table to my left, which contains all the information I need. I make sure I lock absolutely with the F4 key so that when I drag down, it still references the same table. I introduce my comma. Our next argument is the column index number, which is where your result is sitting. So for the last name, we have it as the 4th column. So I insert 4, introduce my comma. The last argument is the match type. We are doing an exact match because the employee ID we have here is exactly the same as the employee ID in this lookup table. So I select the false, which is the exact match, close up my brackets, and this is the result aqua that relates to this employee ID. But what I really want to do in this session is to write a single formula which will spill into the salary column so that I do not need to write another VLOOKUP formula in here. So I can go back into the aqua solution and then modify the results accordingly. Here, the catch is to make amendments to the column index number. When we do so using the curly brackets, I open the curly bracket up with the 4 inserted. I make sure I introduce a comma just after the 4 and then define the next column index number which I need, which is salary, and that is in column 5. So I introduce 5 just after the comma, then close with a closing curly bracket. Okay, so once you are done, you can just press enter. If we needed for 4 or 3 columns, could have indicated them here. And Excel is going to return it in the order of the numbers that you have it. So assuming we have 5 coming before 4, salary is going to come first before the last name. So this is our result. And because salary is a spelled result, you can't make any changes here. So we go to the active cell, which is aqua. Then I copy all the way down with the Ctrl D. Hope you found this lesson useful, and thanks for watching.